Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to check my Instagram login devices on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to check your Instagram login devices, so let's see how can you check it. You just have to open your Instagram app and here go for right bottom corner. So for open profile, and here's your profile. You just have to select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select it and here select account center, then go for password and security, select it, and here you can see the option of where you are logged in. Just select it, and here you have to select your Facebook or Instagram account which you want to select. I'm going to select Instagram, and here you can see I have just only logged in on one device, which is my own. So that's how you can easily check your Instagram login devices. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.